Welcome to my very first unboxing video for the Lenormand Seer Oracle Deluxe Edition. I worked really hard on this box design only to find out that the box components and production has gone up significantly in price due to paper shortage and inflation. So I'll be offering this deluxe edition in both a boxed and an unboxed version. The unboxed version can save you $12. Now, when we open it, it will arrive like this with the plastic around it. And I put a choking hazard on there because you never know. Please make sure you don't eat these. When you open the box, this is what you'll see directly from the manufacturer. I will be speaking to the manufacturer about their use of plastic. In the meantime, I ask that you please reuse the plastic bags. I have included a purple velvet bag to hold all of your casting coins. There is also a 16-page full-color booklet to help you learn and understand the oracle, how to use it, and symbol explanation for each of the 54 symbols. Again, all in full color, designed by me. I still can't believe I designed it. It blows my mind. Now, this is the casting board. We'll get to that a little bit later, but I really love how the casting board turned out. Really happy with that. These are the coins. Now, you have to put in a little bit of work to pop out the coins. They have been laser cut, so it's super easy. Obviously, I'm struggling here to get them out of the bag, but once you can get them out of the bag, it becomes rather easy. This part is very important. So the game contains laser cut component. Oh my gosh, easy for me to say. Basically, you're going to get black soot on your hands when you start to pop these out. So just make sure you have a napkin or something. I'm calling it magical soot. This process here is going to take just a little bit of time, but what I'm suggesting is just get to know your coins, get to know your symbols as you're cleaning them off, because there you have it. There's the black soot. Giving each coin a little wipe all around the edge will get that taken care of for you. Not gonna lie, this process will take a little bit of your time, but once it's done, it will be well worth it. Trust me, this is a really cool casting oracle. And magically, they're all cleaned. So 54 coins, and now you can see how they all fit into the bag. Now, on my first prototype, I did choose a much larger bag. It was way too big. So I went with this medium-sized bag, and I think most people should be able to stick their hands down in it. Feel free to give me some feedback on the bag if you like. Now here comes a really cool part. I am going to share the casting board with you. I love how this casting board turned out. Super happy with it. You can use the casting board for the Lenormand Seer Oracle, but you can also use it for runes or I Ching or charm casting, or even pendulum work. So I purposefully left the Lenormand Seer logo off of the casting board so you can use it for other things. You can see I included the astrology wheel and other items, yes, no's, and things like that. The astrology wheel is great for questions of timing. So here I am just gonna stick my hand in, ask a question, grab a couple of coins, and get the answer. I can look up each of the symbols pretty easily since they're numbered, so they're easy to look up in the book. And there you have it. This particular version is the deluxe version, so it comes with the casting board and the bag. There is a regular version that's just the coins and the booklet. And this is the Lenormand Seer Oracle. It will be available at the end of January, beginning of February 2023.